First, I wanted to thank you for considering partnering with us on this critical search. We are genuinely excited about the prospect of working together. I thought it would be productive to show you some of our materials and give you a window into our methodology so you can see what it would be like to work with us on an actual search. First, I wanted to go over our search process and timeline document. This is our roadmap for every search and will give you an idea of what to expect from project kickoff to completion. We start every search with information gathering and research and create bespoke research documents based on market data from our in-house research team, as well as interviews and meetings with you and your team to ensure we accurately capture the story of the opportunity. This outlines our update meeting cadence, as well as our market outreach structure, all the way through to final interviews, negotiations, and hopefully popping a bottle of champagne. Our methodology is built on a foundation of deeply understanding our partners. This means grasping what makes your company unique, the strategy, long-term goals, the culture, and the ideal phenotypes that would align and build towards your vision. Essentially, we work on building a compelling story of why this opportunity and why now. This information is captured in our opportunity overview document. This is a document that we create for every search that we run that captures the essence of the role, the company's unique attributes, the special sauce, and what would make a successful candidate. We also highlight what the long-term growth would look like for someone coming into this opportunity at this time, as we know there's fierce competition for the top candidates, and people make moves not only for what a role looks like today, but also where it could take their career long-term. We share this document with lead candidates and find that it is a helpful form of marketing as it enables us to tell your story and outline the X factor as candidates are prepping for their interviews. Next, I will show you our progress report. This is the document we reviewed during our search update meetings to give you real-time insights into the search process. Here is a sample progress report of a fictitious CFO search. This is all dummy data, but should give you an idea of what collaboration with us would look like through a search. This is a dynamic document that lives in Google Docs, so you or your team can pop into it at any time and see what's happening with the search. We value transparency and collaboration in our searches and believe in giving our partners real-time, actionable insights into what we're hearing from the market. Our team updates this every day or two with information from our outreach and tracks notes from our conversations, as well as captures reasons why we're screening people out or why they are not interested. As you can see, it is color-coded as well, so you can quickly see the status of various conversations. As mentioned, our first step is always research. So after project kickoff, our in-house research team builds a market map of target companies, screening for company stage, therapeutic area, technology type, whatever's relevant for that specific search. They utilize tools such as PitchBook, Crunchbase, and other databases that track new funding rounds, S1 filings, and the wider competitive landscape. They use this data to compile market maps, which we in turn use to create our research long list. We also track real-time compensation data for every search that we run and share anonymized data. This information tends to be a lot more accurate and instructive than other compensation databases such as Radford, as this is real-time data from the talent pool we were specifically interested in. We also capture information regarding size and stage of the company that they're at, as we know someone coming from large pharma is going to have a very different compensation picture than someone coming from an early startup. Last is the dashboard, where we capture the main reasons candidates are not a fit. We find it's helpful to guide conversation and allow you to make informed decisions by giving you a window into what we're seeing in the market. We want to ensure that we're communicating and discussing any key learns with you and your team every step of the way. The last thing I wanted to share with you is the results. So why we believe in our methodology, why we think it matters. And I'll just leave this screen up so you can check out some of our stats from 2023. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this was helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.